I was originally diagnosed with stage 3 kidney cancer on New Year's Day in 2013 while my wife was 7 months pregnant. And at the time, we were very, very concerned and obviously really saddened by it and shocked. But for me, one of the, gifts, if you will, that I have was being able to focus on the process and gathering information from the doctors. That is part of what I understood, and the best way for me to be able to channel the energy and anxiety that I had was just to gather information and learn as much as I could about my diagnosis at that time. I was very fortunate that about 3 weeks after my diagnosis, I was able to have a radical nephrectomy, which removed the tumor, which was about the size of a racquetball, along with my left kidney. And because it had not metastasized, it did not require any additional treatment at that time. I knew that I had cancer 3 years ago. This is my opportunity to do something about it and help other people. If by participating in research, they can develop cutting-edge treatments and non-invasive procedures to help other kidney cancer patients, I was all in. So when we agreed to participate in that study, we were there in January. During the course of doing the scans to gather additional data and check our current status, they found a pea-sized tumor in the cerebellum region of my brain, which is basically the lower region of the back of your skull. I remember 2 days before the surgery sitting with my wife and telling her how, in spite of all this, how happy I was because I knew that there was something we could do about it, and I just believed that the outcome would be positive. I had no idea how incredibly fortunate I would be in the fact that what they found was not metastatic at all. It was a benign tumor that could have created some problems down the road. But the whole idea is that being such a believer and being so passionate about the data and research component of what I went through was the thing that actually helped me uncover this so early on. And that is the main reason that I'm so passionate about my involvement with the Associates Board at Gateway, and why I am now a living gateway to help other patients, to help other people see that there is a measurable outcome to cutting-edge trials that are really helping improve patients' lives and cure their cancer today. And that is what these clinical trials that Gateway is funding is doing for people. These are questions that leading researchers and doctors are trying to answer, and Gateway is facilitating that to improve patients' quality of life, to improve their outcomes, but most importantly, to give them power, to know that through this research, you're actually going to help other people as well.